In the current climate, many people have taken the opportunity to either take up a new hobby or return to an old one. For many of us, these might fall into a common set of activities: running, drawing, cooking, and so on. However, the technological revolution that has taken place over the last century has provided a huge scope for tech-based hobbies. Whereas once a younger generation might have taken up woodworking, now it's far more likely for them to build their own computer, or even learn to code. One of the cheapest ways to get into this is to purchase a Raspberry Pi. This is a series of small single-board computers developed in the United Kingdom by the Raspberry Pi Foundation to promote teaching of basic computer science. Originally released in 2012, more than 30 million Raspberry Pis have been sold to date, making it the best-selling British computer of all time. Every generation has featured a Broadcom system on the chip with an integrated ARM-compatible CPU and on-chip GPU with a range of speeds and RAM configurations. The Pi also typically includes USB ports, HDMI output and a 3.5mm jack for audio output. Some models contain Ethernet ports or even onboard Wi-Fi. Widely praised, the Pi has been adopted across the world, with schools in both state and private sectors bringing them into computer science classrooms. An online community has grown up around the kit. A magazine, the MagPi, has been launched, and regular events are held around the world. NASA even released an open source rover which was controlled by a Raspberry Pi. Affordable and well supported, the Raspberry Pi has become a go-to microcomputer for all ages and abilities, encouraging people to start out in the wonderful world of programming and electronics.